Arts&Crafts.
You're doing arts and crafts?
Yeah,
How have you got?
I got it. See, hurry. Ow.
Show me what you've got. The
This is-
bumper activity pieces.
Yep.
Wow, okay.
Do you love this thing? This piece of my
You're so lucky. Oh.
Thank
And what else do you
Mum.
have? What else do you do? Oh my god, you're such a lucky girl. What have you got?
Lots of stickers. Oh, I'm a princess. And then I'm a mermaid.
Animal ones. And they're shiny.
Yeah. There's more.
There's more? What more have you got?
I'm in London.
Ooh.
I'm a star.
They're very shiny stickers, aren't they?
Yeah, I had one of these. Now,
You've got loads of stuff to do arts and crafts.
for my teacher.
Oh, what else have you got in there?
This is a book. To read.
Got more stickers.
Some Halloween stickers. Ooh. Painting stickers. Color painting stickers. Vegetable stickers. Another bag. Some paper. Another bit. Oh, we're going to make a smiley face and lots of paint. And then we go to school, right? So my teacher can hang it up. Just need some to paint everywhere. Do you like painting, boys? Go find up my channel. And if you like painting, I love painting.
Blue and yellow make
Icing!
green. Look.
Oh yeah. We made some beach.
Yeah.
I'm making a beach.
Are you?
Yeah.
Nice to see.
Yep.
Right, what are you doing now?
To put in some blue hearts. Just put that.
Oh my god.
Oh my god. Oh, we can put these on and these. We can make a rainbow one.
Okay. Get your brush, I guess, and brush it into a rainbow.
Yeah, that's a good idea.
Yeah.
It's like paint. Oh, it's like clouds.
Yeah. Are you having fun?
Yep, I love this card. This is the people, my sister.
Really?
Yeah. And she loves me too. And she loves blue.
Really?
Yeah. She said blue, blue, blue all the time.
Okay, you show me what you're doing.
Read it, talk about.
You love singing, don't you?
Yeah. Read it, talk about. No, 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 no. Read it, talk about.
What are you doing in your picture, please, Savannah? Tell me.
Putting some hearts on there.
What's your picture trying to be? I thought you were making a beach.
I'm making a heartbeat.
Right, okay, so is it a beach just full of hearts?
Yeah. We don't talk about school. No, 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 no. We don't talk about school. No. But it was a wedding day. And a crowd in the sky. What a crowd in the sky. With a cool out of me. To see down at the door. So I was in the light way. At the low, was it in a highway? Boy, Quella, was it in a highway? Quella, I tell it. Mommy, I'm proud of her.
Okay, so now what are you doing?
Put some pimples on.
This is a really weird beach.
Yeah.
Is this what you like to do?
I'm gonna make a rainbow beach.
Okay.
This is the ocean, the full ocean. This is the where we can live. We can sit on these.
Yeah.
So we jump on them like that. Well, now sound yeah. I gonna yeah. We don't talk about school. I think that's cool. Just almost land.
Well done. Can you show me your picture?
Yeah. I put the green one there. Red one. There. There's more glue. Then.
Right, show me your finished masterpiece then. Okay, I think you should just let it dry. It's okay. Let it dry. That's your masterpiece, yes? Is it your masterpiece?
Bible's got a halo in my picture.